Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the Manychat Instagram automation setup. So using this tool Manychat, guys, you can actually automate your Instagram. You can do auto DM links from comments. You can generate leads from your stories, or even automate a whole conversations, guys, using AI. And it's really easy and simple, guys. I'm going to be showing you how we can do this step by step. You can check out the links here in the description, guys. You can get up to 1,000 contacts free of charge, basically 1,000 DMs with like links or their emails you can get for free, okay? Or if you want the pro version, it's only $15 a month, but a little bit later on that. We're gonna come back to that later. So for now, let me show you how to set up the automation. What you're gonna do first is you wanna connect your Instagram. For example, I already have my Instagram connected right here, and you can see our analytics, how many contacts we have gotten, and if they're inactive, they're active, what are the net contacts we have. So what I can show you, how do we first connect Instagram? So come here, click on settings, and under the channels, you can come here and click on, for example, Messenger. If you haven't connected Messenger, come here, click on Messenger, then come down here and click on connect. They'll basically ask you to log in to Facebook, and then you can accept permissions with Manychat to link your Messenger. And the same with WhatsApp, Telegram, and the same is what I did with Instagram. I just went and signed in and accepted the permissions, okay? Now, what we can do now, guys, is once we have connected Instagram, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come here and click on automation, okay? Now, for example, once you've clicked on automation, this will show you all your different automations that you currently have, the basic automations, the sequences that you have going on, how many people have subscribed, what is the click-through rate, and other analytics. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a new automation. And then this will be our Instagram automation. So we can do things like auto reply to content in DM. We can also collect emails on Instagram with a freebie offer. So for example, we give people something like, a free ebook, okay, in exchange for the email. We can run a giveaway with this, okay? We can grow our YouTube by sending Instagram DMs and other things like this. So for now, what I'm going to show you how to set up auto DM links from comments. So basically, when someone comments a call to action, for example, you tell them to comment, I'm ready, and then you send them a DM with that. Let me show you how we can do this. Click on auto DM links with from comments. This is automation. They've already created a go-to template for you. So I'm going to cancel and start a fresh one. So there's two options we can pick. We can either pick a specific post or reel that we want a specific comment on, or maybe any comment on this reel. For example, this is a sample video I had posted as a reel on my page. Or if you have the pro version, you can do this for any post or reel on your Instagram. Okay. So for example, right now I have the free version, which is pretty good as well. You can go ahead and click on a specific post or reel. Go ahead and try out the free version, guys. The link in the description is completely free, as I'm doing right now. So once you have chosen a specific post or reel on your page, and then what we can do is we can choose a call to action. For example, when someone leaves a comment that says Manychat, then we'll be sending them a DM or prize or link or shop. These are other examples. Or you can make it so that when someone sends any comment on your Instagram, a post, then they'll get a DM. For now, I'm going to choose a specific one, which is Manychats. So in the video, maybe I'm asking them to go ahead and, guys, type in the comments Manychat, and I'll send you the link in the DM. So people go ahead and type Manychat, and what we're going to do, guys, next is we're going to press next right here, and then we're going to be sending them an opening DM. For example, we could send something like, hey there, I'm happy you're here. Thanks so much for your interest. Smiley face, click below, and I'll send you the link in just a second. Okay, so you can do this. This is a sample. You can also change the text right here. Send me the link, please. Okay, we can change this. So this is to show that the people are actually serious. Then they send you a message like that. Once they click on that button, they'll automatically send you this message. You can press on next, and now they'll actually get the DM with a link. So for example, you can say, here's the link you requested. I hope it helps. And then you can put in a smiley face right here. Okay, put a smiley face. And then let me change this to be more grammar friendly. And now we can add the link right here. For example, I can add maybe an affiliate link to Manychat. So put the link right here, and then you can add a button label, for example, Manychat. And then when someone clicks on Manychat, they get sent this link, okay? And then what you can also automate, guys, is you can also automate publicly reply to a comment. So when other people are commenting, there will be a public reply to comment, and you can choose or write 3 replies, and they'll send them at random. So it doesn't look like spam, because there's different messages, well, comments being sent. And the good thing about this, guys, when other people see that the people are commenting and they're getting replied to, they are more likely to go ahead and comment, you know? This increases the engagement rate and also shows that people are actually interested when people are commenting. So what you can do, it's basically, you know, fear of missing out. People don't want to miss out. So you can do this option right here. For example, message send, please check it out. Thanks, please check your DMs. Or you can go ahead and customize this if you want. Your messages. Okay. Boom. And then what you can also do, you can automate. If you had Pro, you could also ask them for their email or ask them to actually follow you before you send them the link. And once you're happy and you're done, guys, what you can do is you can go ahead and click on go live, and it will be done. So guys, go ahead, click on the link in the description. You can get started for free today. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to DG Mentor, and I'll see you in the next one.